Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to send money internationally with HSBC. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the application on your phone, then click on Pay and Transfer option on the bottom right side right here. Then what you should do is to click on Transfer Internationally, click on this arrow right here. And after that, you will have to choose the country that you want to send money to. And now you will have to choose between two transfer methods: global money transfer HSBC or HSBC to HSBC payment. So after choosing the transfer option, you will have to click on continue. Just scroll down till you find here continue, click on continue, and here it will show you how much money will you send, and down below here in the pay receives it will show you how much money will he receive. You can choose the currency by clicking on currency right here and choose the type of currency that you want to send money to. And now you'll have to enter the amount, and now I have entered the amount, which is 10,000 SGD, and the payer will receive 5,318.79 GBP. Now click on continue, and after clicking on continue, now you will have to choose between a previous PA that you have already sent money to or add a new PA. If you want to add a new PA, click on add a new PA, and now you'll have to enter his IBAN and the PA full name and the residential address. Then click on continue, and it will review the PA's information like this. Then click on add PA, and now you'll have to authorize by entering the 6-digit PIN. After that, here it will show exactly how much money will he get and how much money will you send. You just have to click on continue, and you can even choose the purpose of the payment just like so. And after that, it will review the whole payment. Now you can review all things that you have done to this payment. Then click on confirm, and it will show you this confirmation message telling you thank you that this transfer has been successfully done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.